we are unboxing Ruby Anderson Rainbow High Swim and Style doll. Recommended for ages 4 and up. Made by MGA. On the back of the box we can see a picture of other dolls in this series. And then it says, fun under the sun. Accessorize, style, and play any way you want. So let's get Ruby Anderson out of the box. Here's the doll out of the box. She comes with this piece of fabric. It is red and gold and very shiny. And we have instructions on how to style it in different ways because there are 10 plus ways you can style it. And this shows us 12 of the ways to do it. Here is one of the ways you can style the fabric on Ruby. She also has this bag. It's red and says Rainbow High, and you can actually fit things in there, such as her sunglasses here. The glasses are a gold frame and the lens are red, and it says RH on the side, and they can go on Ruby, just like that. She also has these translucent red high heels with RH on them. Here they are on the doll. Ruby wears a red swimsuit with gold RHs all over it for Rainbow High. And it does Velcro in the back. There is one shoulder strap. Part of her hair is up and twisted and held up by her hair here. And then you have these two strands going down and are curled at the bottom. And then the rest of it is just straight down. Her head can turn. Her arms can go back and forth out to the side. And her legs can go back and forth. She also has eyelashes that you can feel. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.